Hello, Lost Mountain Band families. This video will show you how to upload student assignments that are due every Friday in Charms. Once you've logged in, you will notice that this is the default message. We've asked that all students and families never change the password. Simply bypass this screen by clicking the Home button and scrolling down to the Recording Studio. Over to the right is the tab for assignments, and you will see my demo account is for a 6th grade band student. Every week we will have an assignment of 2 to 3 playoffs due by Friday, and you will want to upload or submit your recordings through this portion only. This is the only section that allows the band directors to receive notifications that the homework or the assignments were actually recorded and submitted. So you click on that blue tab. The first time you click on it, it is orange, and you can submit as many songs each time that you wish. However, I wanted to show you that there is a built-in metronome, which is super great if you are working on keeping a steady tempo. Many of the markings in the books are andante, which is between 73 and 77 beats per minute. So you would just simply click until you reach the tempo you like. If you have a song that's marked a little bit quicker, moderato is between 86 and 97 beats per minute. And then allegro is between 110 and 131 beats per minute. I will keep it at 92 for now. I'm getting ready in my 6th grade book to record a song. You can see the prompt gives me time to get ready. It's important that I state song number 25, which has clapping and counting requested in the book. I will clap and count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will stop my recording. We encourage everyone to play back. Get ready. It's important that I state song number 25, which has clapping and counting. I do not like this take. There is too much talking that's going on the track, so I'm going to clear it and start over. Song 25, clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to pretend that I finished the take, and now I'm going to play it back. Song 25, clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like that version, assuming that I had finished it all the way through correctly, and so I will save my take. And my song has now been uploaded. As you can see, there's no ability to change the title. It is simply what we've assigned to be the title, which is 2 to 3 playoffs. That's why it's critical that you state the song number prior to playing. Now, if you want to submit a different one, you just simply click on Assignments again. And as you can see, it is now orange. And you just do the same process. Song 25. Ta, 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 ta. I always recommend playing back your take. Song 25. Ta, 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 ta. And I like it, so I will save it. And as you can see, I now have 2 recordings in my Assignments tab that my band directors can now see and grade. Please make sure to always state the song that you are recording Please make sure to clap and count prior to the song if it is requested. The little triangle would be marked underneath the song. And good luck with all of your online learning. Cannot wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.